civilization. River Valley civilization, I will discuss Indus Valley civilization. Okay, Indus Valley civilizations. So in previous video, I have discussed many topics of these chapters. Indus Valley civilizations in 1921, Mr. Dayaram Sahni, who is the Indian archaeologist, discovered the Indus Valley civilizations in 1921. Okay, and in 1922, Dr. Raghudas Banerjee discovered the ruins of Mohenjo-daro. Okay, thus we say that Indus Valley civilizations have two cities, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. In previous video, I have discussed that Indus Valley civilizations society divided into three parts. Okay, in first division, any society divided into three classes. In first classes society, yani first classes consisted rich merchants and priests. In second class consisted the small merchants and artisan and craftsmen. Okay. In third class society divided into they lived in second class group small merchants, and in third class laborer, any laborer who works, any a person who works as a laborer who consisted in third class. Okay, today I will discuss occupations of the Indus Valley civilizations. First we discuss occupations. Indus Valley civilizations के peoples के occupations यानी व्यवसाय क्या थे? तो first we discuss agriculture. Okay, the main crops grown were the Indus Valley civilization या people of Indus Valley civilizations main crop जो थी grown were माने वे उगाते थे wheat, rice, mustard, sesame and barley. Okay, the main occupations of the Indus Valley civilizations were agriculture. They were grown wheat, rice, mustard, sesame and barley. Okay, Indus people were earliest people. माने Indus people जो थे वो earliest people थे. They were grow to cotton. माने जिन्होंने they were grow to cotton, माने इन्होंने first time cotton उगाई थी. Okay, they oxen, buffaloes, goats, sheep, pigs, cats, dogs were domesticated. माने they domesticated in that time oxen, buffaloes, goats, sheep, pigs and cats, dogs, they were domesticated. Okay, I repeated this topic. The occupations, the main occupations of the Indus Valley civilizations were agriculture. They were grown barley, and they were grown wheat, rice, mustard, sesame and barley. Indus people domesticated, yani domesticated many animals as a many domestic animals as a oxen, buffaloes, goats, sheep, pig, cats and dogs in that time. Okay, Indus people were earliest people. माने ये सबसे earliest people थे to grow cotton. माने जिन्होंने cotton उगाई थी. Next we discuss trade. यानी what was the trade of Indus people? So the Harappan people not only carried on international trade. माने जो Harappan peoples थे not only carried to international trade. माने इनका जो trade था, इनका जो व्यापार था, वो not only carried to international, माने international ही नहीं, but also traded with the foreign civilizations. माने इनका जो trade यानी इनका जो व्यापार था, वो क्या था? Foreign civilizations. माने they also trade, माने they trade in व्यापार करते थे with the foreign civilization. Okay, the trade was carried, यानी the trade was carried with Mesopotamia. माने जो इनका व्यापार था, वो carried with मेसोपोटामिया, यानी मेसोपोटामिया के साथ होता था. मॉडर्न इराक, माने जो क्या है? मॉडर्न इराक माने इस समय इराक है, एंड अफगानिस्तान. ओके, एंड अफगानिस्तान. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, ट्रेड यानी हरप्पन पीपल नॉट ओनली कैरीड ऑन इंटरनल, यानी इंटरनल माने इंटरनल ट्रेड ही नहीं बट आल्सो फॉरेन, यानी इनका जो व्यापार था वो क्या था, फॉरेन सिविलाइजेशन से रिलेटेड था. द ट्रेड वाज कैरीड ऑन द मेसोपोटामिया, मेसोपोटामिया मॉडर्न इराक एंड अफगानिस्तान. ओके, द ट्रेड वाज कैरीड ऑन फ्रॉम द पोर्ट ऑफ लोथल, पर द ट्रेड जो था कैरीड ऑन फ्रॉम द पोर्ट ऑफ लोथल. ओके, हियर अ बिग, यानी बिग डॉकयार्ड, बिग डॉकयार्ड माने जहां पर एक बिग यानी डॉकयार्ड हैज बीन डिस्कवर्ड, माने जिस जहां डॉकयार्ड की डिस्कवर यानी खोज की गई थी. अ वैरायटी ऑफ वेट्स एंड मेजर्स, माने दे आल्सो यानी दे आल्सो यूज्ड टू वैरायटी ऑफ वेट्स एंड मेजर्स वर यूज्ड, माने इन दैट टाइम या इन दिस पीपल used to measure and weights in that time. Okay, the barter system यानी जो barter system था started, यानी barter system started in this people, यानी barter system was used for the trade, यानी barter system used they used for in trade and they carried on internal यानी internal trade, माने internal trade के लिए they used as a barter system with places located in modern, माने in that time माने they trade with modern Karnataka, Rajasthan and Punjab. Okay, now we discuss about other occupations, यानी other occupations of the Indus peoples, यानी other occupations क्या थे, तो people followed माने people trade in internal यानी internal and foreign civilization with they have other occupations in that time कि people followed, माने उस समय लोगों के और भी कई trades थे as a weaving, pottery, jewelry making, metal working, माने they also work as a metal working, toy making, stone cutting, steel माने steel and steel making and trading. Okay, now students we discuss the other occupations of the Indus peoples, any others जो उनके occupations थे they followed in that time, they वो क्या थे, weaving, pottery, jewelry making, working in metal making, toy making, stone cutting, steel making and other trades. Okay, students, in Indus Valley civilization या Indus people, amusement and what were amusement and recreation of that time in people. Okay, what were amusement and recreation, the people amused and people amused themselves in many ways, but in that time and in this people amused themselves in many ways, but कई तरह से वो अपना amusement करते थे. they enjoy indoor games, and they at first they enjoy indoor games rather than outdoor games. Okay, in that time many people enjoy that time indoor games rather than in outdoor games. Okay, as toys like small clay cards, माने they made toys like small clay cards. वो क्या करते थे, छोटी छोटी मिट्टी की गाड़ियां बनाते थे. figures of animals, माने animals के figures, rattles, whistles made of terracotta and dolls, यानी जो dolls थी have been found, माने in that time dolls have been found in Indus Valley civilization. Okay, तो amusement यानी what were amusement and recreation of the Indus Valley civilization, यानी people amused in that time, they enjoy the indoor games rather than outdoor games. they wanted या they also make a small clay cards, माने वह मिट्टी की छोटी गाड़ियां बनाते थे. figure of animals, माने animals के figures, rattles, whistles and made of terracotta and dolls were found. माने उस समय क्या थे, dolls, माने dolls भी एक choice के रूप में पाए गए. Okay, next topic we discuss the dress and ornament, यानी what were the dress and ornament of the Indus Valley civilizations. So people usually wore cotton cloths, but in that time people usually wore to cotton cloths. माने उस समय लोग क्या थे, सामान्यतः यानी कॉटन क्लॉथ्स यूज करते थे. वूलन क्लॉथ्स वर आल्सो worn, माने in that time Indus people wore woolen cloths. Men wore two pieces of cloths, माने in Indus people men यानी जो men थे वो two pieces of cloths, माने वो क्या, दो, माने दो कपड़े पहनते थे. ओके, one यानी first was the shawl, माने जो shawl था वो on the upper part of body, माने वो क्या, माने बॉडी के अपर पार्ट, माने ऊपर, माने जो बॉडी का अपर पार्ट की तरफ they wore a shawl, माने वो shawl पहनते थे. And the lower part, and the lower garment was like the modern, माने lower garment in that time people was like modern धोती, माने जो उनका lower clothes होता था या lower part they wore in like as modern धोती, माने वो धोती पहनते थे. Men wore short shirts tied with this, माने महिलाएं जो थी या वो जो वुमेन्स थी वो माने वो पहनती थी क्या, शॉर्ट शर्ट्स. एक शॉर्ट शर्ट्स जो क्या होती थी, टाइड एट द वेस्ट. ओके, बोथ मेन एंड वुमेन वोर ऑर्नामेंट्स, यानी मेन एंड वुमेन बोथ वॉर ऑर्नामेंट्स, माने मेन और वुमेन माने दोनों ऑर्नामेंट्स पहनते थे. ओके, बट इन दैट टाइम यानी रिच पर्सन या रिच पीपल wore jewelry which is made of gold and silver. Okay, in that time जो rich people होते थे they wore the jewelry, माने वे उस समय ज्वेलरी किसी gold and silver की पहनते थे. but in that time यानी in that time people यानी people who were poor या poor people wore the jewelry, यानी poor people wore the jewelry made of bone, copper and shame. Okay, now students, today I have discussed many topics of this chapters. I hope you have understand. In next video I have discussed the other topics of this chapter. Thank you for attending this class.